Hey everyone, in this video we are going to take our DXF file that we dropped or we put on our device, your Chromebook, my PC, and we're going to upload it to Google Drive, making it accessible to our AWS system in our Adobe Illustrator. So coming in here, I'm just in a new tab and I'm going in here to my Google Drive, and once I get into my Google Drive, I already have the item downloaded. As long as you did the items from the last video, you've done the same thing. So you're coming in here and you're doing a new, and underneath new you're looking for file upload. Alright, you should already have a folder for this to go to afterwards too, so that's another thing. If you don't have a folder down here saying third quarter or industrial technology, quarter class, whatever it may be, make sure you have that ready to go too. So going in here, file upload, I should look and see my most recent pieces here. I did this yesterday a little bit before, so mine is not right there. So I'm going to actually go to my downloads, and in my downloads what I'm looking for is my DXF. Alright, yours will probably be in your files, in your most recent files, because you probably just did it. Alright, and I've done a few more things since then. Now the other part is, remember it says .dxf on the end, and it should be like a file that you can't recognize, or your Chromebook shouldn't really be recognizing. So we're going to select that and hit open. I think you double click, it'll happen too, and then you'll see uploading an item. Pay attention to the name, Layman Roberto 00 CNC laser, just because I'm going to come in and I'm going to put that into a folder next, so I know where to find it. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is just look for that last 5. All right. Oh, first 5. I typed wrong. Sorry. And there's that CNC. No, not SketchUp. I have a few of these that might be close. So, and then CNC. Oh, that was one right there. Nope. 0. And then I'm going to have a DXF. Now, when it doesn't find your file for you, one thing we can do too is just search the thing DXF, and you might be able to find your last one. And there's my piece right there. It's a DXF file. But we found it. We want to be able to select it, and then we want to go up here and go to options. We want to move this thing, all right, to our folder that we know where it is. So in here, this is going to be not shared with me, but my drive. And then in your drive, you should have a bunch of folders. I have a bunch of folders, and I should have one that's called classes or SketchUp for me. And then I should have the classes inside there. All right, design and modeling. Nope, sorry, wrong class. 8th grade IT. All right, and then move that to that spot where you know it is. All right, and then it says it over here that's completed. Now, last thing, just to make sure we check, going to your drive, and then going down to our folders. Like I said, mine's actually a folder in a folder, so I go into my classes, and then I have an 8th grade IT folder. And now I can find my most recent file. Why is this important? In our next step, in our next video, we're going to be using that file to basically be uploaded or placed into an Illustrator file we make. All right, thank you. Hope this helps. Have a good day.